What if I told you? You have superpowers? No, you can't fly or shoot lasers, but your body hides abilities more incredible than fiction. Some people can control their body temperature using breathing techniques, resisting freezing conditions for hours. Through brown fat activation and vasoconstriction, they literally rewire their survival response. Meet the memory vault. People with hyperthymesia can recall every day of their lives with photographic accuracy. Scientists believe their brains process and store memories differently than the rest of us. Freedivers can hold their breath for over 11 minutes, diving to depths that would crush ordinary lungs. Through training, they boost oxygen efficiency and develop superhuman CO2 tolerance. We don't need capes to be extraordinary. Your body already holds powers waiting to be unlocked. Which superpower amazed you most? Subscribe to Smart Tips for more incredible human abilities you never knew existed.